Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom penthouse apartment that we have here in Paraiso Hills. It's a beautiful penthouse set on 2 floors. On the entry floor you have living and dining room, kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. And of course these beautiful terraces with amazing sea views. I'm not sure how well you can see it in the video. It's a little bit of a misty morning, but I can see the Mediterranean. And you can just see there La Concha, shrouded in a sea mist. It's quite common at this time of year. It will be gone probably within the hour. I'll go back into the living room. It's a lovely space with several improvements made by the current owner. And passing through to the kitchen. The kitchens are fitted with Siemens appliances. There's also a separate laundry area there you can see, which is ventilated. As said, also on this floor we've got 2 bedrooms for guests. This one is currently holding some of the cushions for the outside furniture while the owner's away. You can see this bedroom has got access onto the terrace we were just on, as well as a second terrace. It's great if you've got guests coming, they've got their own private space to enjoy in the mornings. Your guest bathroom. And the other guest bedroom on this level. We're now upstairs in this penthouse in the master suite. It's a lovely spacious room, plenty of wardrobes. And your ensuite bathroom up here has shower and a separate bath. Its own door out to the terrace. And what a terrace we have up here. So the current owner has used glass curtains to separate it into different areas. So up here you've got a really nice part for entertaining your guests with dining. Kitchen. You just see those views of the Mediterranean again. These glass curtains, they all fold back, so you can have the area completely open. You've got areas for sunbathing, gin and tonic in the sun. There's another seating and dining area through here. Whatever time of day you're here, you'll find the sun. And look at that view. And when it gets too hot, here's your own private pool. Covered up at the moment, obviously, because the owners are away. This community also has a community swimming pool, which you can just see over there. Stunning.